right, 2.5, solving formulas. This is lesson 2.5 in your book. Your learning target today, you can solve a formula for a specified variable. Formula definition has more than one variable. All formulas have at least two variables, two or more. Examples, area is equal to base times height. I have three variables there. Or area is equal to length times width. Three variables again, an A, an L, and a W. Okay, perimeter formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. That's a formula. Okay? And when I say solve, all solve means is get a variable all by itself. Get it alone. That means nothing else is by it. It's all by itself. Like an x is equal to something, an a is equal to something. The variable is by itself. Okay? Strategies to solve. To get a variable by itself. When I say to solve, it just means get it alone. It wants to be all by itself. First thing you do is move what's not connected. It's the first thing you do. When I say solve, you're going to move what's not connected, followed by moving what is connected. It's like a two-step equation. Same policy, just no numbers. Now it's letters. Here's an example. Okay, A is equal to B times H. That means area is equal to base times height. Okay, I want to solve for H. My strategy, I underline the H. That's what I want to get by itself. So I want H alone. So I need to move that B. Well, this is saying base times height. What's the inverse of times? Divide. So I'm going to divide this side by B. If I divide the right side by B, I better divide the left side by B. Now I get H is equal to A over B. Because that canceled out. I have my variable by itself that I wanted, so I'm done. Okay, this next one. 2xy equals 3 for x. So I underline x. That's what I want to get all by itself. And then I say, okay, well, what am I doing to x right now? I'm going 2 times x times y. So I need to move the 2 and the y. Well, how do you move times? Divide. So I'm going to divide through by 2y. If I divide the left side by 2y, then I need to divide the right side by 2y. Notice what happens. The 2 and the y's cancel out. I'm left with x is equal to 3 over 2y. And I'm done. It looks so advanced because you got all these gosh darn letters, but it's the foundation of algebra. Just applying the inverse operations, and it will get you there. So you're always asking yourself, what's by it? What am I doing to it? And how do I get rid of it? More examples. We're going to solve for the given. Always we're going to solve for the given here. We have y plus 3x equals 7. I want to solve for y. This comma means for y. The comma means get y along. So this means for y. So I underline the y. That's what I want by itself. Since I am adding 3x, what's the inverse of adding? I'm going to subtract 3x. If I subtract 3x on the left-hand side, I'm going to subtract 3x on the right-hand side. Y is equal, that cancels it out. Can I combine this, 7 and 3x? Can I combine it? They're not like terms. You cannot combine it. So I just write 7 minus 3x and leave it there. All right, again, strategy. Figure out what variable you're solving for. Underline it, move what's not connected, then move what is connected. This next one, x is what I am solving for. Right? So I ask myself, what's not sticking to the x? The z, so I'm going to minus z to both sides. I'm left with 2xy is equal to 5 minus z. I cannot combine them because they are not alike. Divide through now by 2y, because that's when numbers are sticking together, that means they're being multiplied. The inverse of multiply is divide. If I divide the left side by 2y, then I need to divide the right side by 2y. I'm left with x is equal to 5 minus z over 2y. Done. Okay?